Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can apply a soft pink makeup look to your face in a photo by using EPIK. So here on the EPIK homepage, what you need to do is just go to this looks menu, click on that, and then select the photo that you want to edit. Okay, for example, I'm going to edit this photos right here. Okay, so just wait and you'll easily see there's a soft pink makeup look. What you need to do is just click on that and you can see the photo is changing. So this is the before and here is the after, but you can also adjust it more. In here you can adjust the skin, the makeup look, like the boldness of the makeup, the intensity. You can also edit the face, and here you can also add some filter. Okay, this is the before and here is the after. Just click on the check icon when you're done and click on the arrow to save your photo. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on like, thanks, and also leave a comment if you have any questions. Thank you.